Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2019 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera. You do get some nice silver and black accents along this vehicle, blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle as well. You do get that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do get plenty of cargo space. You got a 12-volt lights, hooks and doodads too. Hold your gear down. You've got a little storage cubby. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and you do get your storage underneath with your spare tire. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, adjustable rear seats with carpeted floor mats. You got a carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back, rear vents, 112-volt outlet, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat. You got some storage here, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 69,634 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, voice, playback, play forward, phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through. Trip 1, 2, information about the vehicle, settings, and all that fun stuff. To memory, we got our gear select, parking brake, storage, and cup holders. More storage here with some outlets. You got some storage here as well with upper, and lower storage with a USB down there. We even get our dual climate up front with heated front seats, auto stop, auto start, traction, engine starts up, media controls with your volume. You can turn your screen on or off with your hazards, storage below. And looking at our main screen here, we do get our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right here. Settings such as your Bluetooth, mobile apps, general, 911 assist, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, valet mode, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8148A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.